Bitcoin keeps making new all-time highs, and pretty soon the alt season is going to come. And one of the biggest narratives for this bull run is going to be gaming. In today's video, I'm going to give you my top pick for gaming coin for this bull run. So hit that like button and let's jump into it. Alright, today we're going to be jumping into Engines of Fury. The token is called Fury. I've covered this project on my channel a few times. This is a gaming project that I am very bullish on for this bull run. I'm going to show you why in this video and why I think there are some significant gains ahead of this one, and you can still jump into it before we get the gaming alt season. And once that gaming alt season comes and that narrative pumps, this one is going to absolutely explode in my opinion. So let's take a look at it here. So Engines of Fury currently at about 13 cents. Now it has been kind of in this price range between 10.5 and 14 cents for quite a while, and I'm going to take a look at the price chart here for a little bit, but I want to show you a little bit about this coin and why I'm bullish on it. Then we're going to get into the price action, and I'm going to show you my profit taking strategy for this coin for this bull run here. So current market cap only 1.2 million. This is an extremely low market cap for this project. The fully diluted valuation is 15 million, still extremely low. I know some people out there are so focused on circulating supply of a token. I'm here to tell you right now, circulating supply in a bull run means absolutely nothing. It means zero. It means absolutely nothing. I am not worried at all about a circulating supply of any token during a bull run. When I worry about a circulating supply is after the bull run is over and we get all these big crashes in the market, and you're going to sit there in a bear market forever, and then you have years and years, like 2 years, 2.5, 3 years of coins coming into circulation, and you're already underwater because you bought this coin, you know, either during a bull market or at the beginning of the bear market, and you're worried about its price going down in value. That will happen in a bear market. During bull market, the demand will be so high for these coins that the circulating supply means absolutely nothing. And I don't know why people are so worried about that and so focused on projects that have most of their coins in circulation, because when you're in a bull market, it really means absolutely nothing what the circulating supply is. So yes, the circulating supply is low on this one, but does it matter? No. And can the VCs dump a bunch of coins on you? No. There's something that's called a vesting schedule, and they only get a little bit of coins each day or each month that they are able to cash out. It's not like the team can take and dump all their coins on you. No, they can't. There's lock contracts that only allows a certain amount of coins to be released into circulation daily or monthly, depending on the vesting schedule, and the demand for these tokens is going to be much higher than those tokens coming into circulation. So really, it isn't anything to worry about at all. So the total supply on this one, the max supply is only 120 million tokens, which is extremely low compared to a lot of other gaming coins out there that actually have billions of tokens for their max supply, and the circulating supply is under 10 million tokens. So very low circulating supply on this one, and I think that's why the price is going to shoot up so quickly that you're going to see supply shock on the exchanges once we get into a gaming bull run. So if you need the contract address, it is here. It's on BNB chain currently, but it's listed on a bunch of exchanges. We'll look at that here and show you all the exchanges that this token is launched on. Gate.io, KuCoin, BitGate, of course PancakeSwap, the DEX, Bigzillery, Mexi, HT, BingX, and others. This token is launched on a lot of exchanges already, and it is a brand new token. It is a virgin token for this bull run. This token is on more exchanges than many of the other gaming tokens out there, and we're not even into the gaming bull run yet. A lot of projects don't even have their coin on these exchanges, and that is going to be the downfall for some of them in this bull run. This one is widely available to people out there, and that's another reason why I think it's going to do really well. If we jump into Engines of Fury's X page here, you can see they have over 200,000 followers. They are followed by big influencers out there like Lady of Crypto, Kyle Chassis, and many others that are going to be promoting this project once gaming takes off. They're probably early investors in this one like I am. I got into this one early. I think my price for the early investment was 20 cents, just to have full disclosure out there. So right now is less than my price as an early investor, and I've been dollar cost averaging into this one and adding a bunch of it to my portfolio. So Engines of Fury has this announcement here on the 12th of December. Cliffside closed playtest is dropping in January of 2025. Get ready for a new level of action gameplay plus NFT and Fury rewards. Your favorite top-down extraction shooter is back for Season 1 Act 2. So they're going to have an Act 2 for this, and you can get in the whitelist now for this Act 2 version of Season 1. I'll play this video here for you, but I'm going to leave the audio out because I will get a copyright strike for playing the audio, so there won't be any audio, but you guys can go to their X page and watch this if you want, or their YouTube channel. I'm sure it's on there as well. So this is a shooter game, and it's very high quality. They've built this really well. They've got a bunch of testers that works on this game constantly, and they're always testing and working on this game, making it better and better with each upgrade. The details on the weapons are also excellent. If you watch their videos about their weaponry and how detailed they are on building the detail in the weapons, it is really good. So they're also doing regular tournaments on this game, so if you're a gamer and you're interested in this, you can get in on their tournaments and earn Fury tokens and other rewards like NFTs and that as well. So if you're interested in that, you know, like they're having one on the 17th, which is probably today when this video comes out. So you guys can get in on these tournaments. They're having them on a regular basis, and you can earn rewards by playing in these tournaments. So we'll jump into the website here, just show you it real quick, but I've showed this before in my previous videos for Fury if you guys are interested in checking this out. You can take a look at the videos on their website about the gameplay and, you know, different information about the game, but it does look like a really high quality game, especially for a Web3 game. And like I said, Web3 gaming, I think, is going to be very, very explosive this bull run. I think people who think that it's not going to be explosive are going to be shocked at how well Web3 gaming does during this cycle. So their team is fully doxed as well. You know, you can see that they have fully doxed team members here. They have their LinkedIn profiles attached to all their team members, and I'm sure they have more team members than what's listed on the website here, but you can get an example and see that they have several team members working on this. This isn't just some small game project. This is a big gaming project, and they are out to make a AAA quality game with this project. So we'll jump into the price action with Fury here. You can see that we are on a downward trend over the last several months because this token launched during the summer dump. If we go back here and take a look, when it first launched, it did jump all the way up to 96 cents. This was back on May 15th when this launched. Jumped all the way up to 96 cents, and then it's just been correcting over the summer dump here. But it's staying above this 10.5 cent level. As you can see here, it's been in this range for quite a while. I believe this token has bottomed out, and I believe it's ready for a pump. And I'm excited to see what this one does this bull run. I'll get into my price predictions here in just a second, but as you can see, you know, we've bottomed out around 10.5 cents here, and we've just been going sideways in this range between 10.5 cents and around 14 cents or so, maybe 15 cents, and just kind of back and forth with this. But as soon as crypto gaming pops off and we have a gaming bull run, this thing is going to absolutely explode. And if you look at other coins, we'll jump into one here to kind of compare this to show you what kind of moves this thing can make. So first of all, let's take a look at the Fury token. So Fury is currently at, like I said, 1.2 million market cap. Extremely low for this quality of a project with as big of a community as it is, with as many exchanges that it's on. This price here is not going to be here forever. I'll tell you that right now. And I think this is probably going to do a 50 to 100x from here without exaggeration. But like I said, this is not financial advice. This is my personal opinion on this one, and I could be wrong on it. But so don't go jumping in and buying this just because I'm talking about it on my channel. But I do want you to be aware of it. Do your own research on it. Do your own investigation into the team and the token and the supply and everything. Make your own educated decision on whether you want to have this in your portfolio before you buy it. But I think it's going to do really well. So a token I'd like to compare it to here is Shrapnel. Now Shrapnel, I think, is probably going to get over $1 billion market cap this bull run. I don't know if Fury will get that high per se, but if we just take a look here at March, when we had that mini gaming bull run back in March here, the market cap of Shrapnel got up to 166 million. I do think that Fury can get this high, which would be 100x from its current market cap. I do believe that it will get this high. Like I said, I could be wrong, but that is kind of what I'm thinking here. I think that it'll get up close to what Shrapnel did in March. I think Shrapnel is going to do much higher than this by the end of this cycle and in this bull run that's coming up here with gaming. I think it's probably going to get over $1 billion market cap, so Shrapnel is another one that you may want to look at, add into your portfolio. I do have some Shrapnel as well, but this is one that I want to kind of compare it to because I do think it will do as well as Shrapnel did in this mini gaming bull run that we had here. So if you were to do 10,000 Fury tokens, for example, you could pick that up right now for right around $1,400. And if you were to sell the first 10% around the $1.45 mark, that would get out your initial investment of about $1,400 right now on this one. And then I would probably sell another 20% around the $1.95 mark before it hits that $2 mark. But I think it's going to smash through that price point very easily, but that's going to get out about $4,000 in profit on this one. So I would sell about 2,000 coins at the $1.95 mark, somewhere in that range, before it hits $2. And then my next price target on it is going to be about $2.45. So I'd sell about 20% around the $2.45 mark before it hits that $2.50 mark, because that's going to be another psychological level. That's going to get out about $5,000 in profit. And then I'd sell another 20% or 2,000 coins around the $3.45 mark, which would get out close to $7,000 in profit now. And then my last 20% I would sell around the $4.45 mark. That would get out about $9,000. And then I'd leave a 10% moonbag in there in case it were to get up above $5. Now, I do think this one could do, potentially a $5 to $10 in this bull run, probably around $5 to $7, maybe up to $10 if it really gets explosive. But I'm not going to wait for those price targets, like I said, to take my profits out. I want to start dollar cost averaging out of this one early on, just in case it doesn't reach these numbers, get my profits out and be safe with it. But I think it will do really well. So your initial investment of $1,400 approximately would turn out to be about $31,500 if things worked out exactly like this. Now, we all know that nothing works out exactly like you have on paper here, so you do need to be flexible and adjust your profit-taking strategy, but that would be about a $30,000 profit, which is extremely good for investing $1,400. And I think this one will do that, this bull run, but like I said, I don't have a crystal ball and I can't guarantee it. But that is my profit-taking strategy for Engines of Fury. It is probably the gaming coin that I'm most bullish on based off from its current market cap and where I think it's going in this bull run. So take a look at it, guys. Let me know what you think of it in the comments below. If you have any other low microcap gaming coins that you're interested in, just remember, guys, these are high risk coins. 1.2 million market cap coin is extremely high risk, so don't go putting all of your funds into this coin. This should be a small percentage of your portfolio. Just because I'm really bullish on it doesn't mean you should jump into it and go buy all of it for your portfolio. Just be careful of that. But I would love to hear from you guys in the comments section below any other microcap gaming coins that you think are on par with Engines of Fury, because I can only do so much research out there. I'm sure there's other gaming coins that I'm missing that are as good a quality as Engines of Fury and maybe under 10 million market cap currently that maybe want to take a look at. But I'd love to hear from you guys in the comment section below. But that's all I've got for this video, guys. I appreciate it. We'll see you on the next video.